here at Skylight over here in Depew, right around the corner from the office. We got the one in the living room, got the measurement on, not a whole lot of issues with that. This one, we're going to factor in reflashing this chimney, so we got to take apart the shingles here all the way around it, remove, grind out all of the steel, put in aluminum because it's all rusted out and crapped up. Somebody did a great job on rebuilding the chimney, but they should replace the flashings. This pipe boot is, I don't know what the hell that is, but it's pitched back towards the roof. So we're going to change this pipe roof with a pipe boot with a new 3-inch pipe boot. And then the skylight's got to be replaced here. So we're going to have to take apart the boots here, which we're going to have to replace that boot too because somebody tired it in. And somebody tired that roof jack. We could probably say the roof jack because it's all metal, but not this pipe boot. So we got 2 pipe boots and the skylight and that chimney flashing too. So we want to wrap that ice shield up that chimney and then flash it and counter flash it. Bring the roofing down all the way to the gutter here. Grace ice shield this whole parameter and get the measurements for that. Just do a couple of looks here on the seams. We got these are tied down or down pretty good, so I was just looking to see if they got any nails at the butt joints. You got a lot of close seams together. So you got a seam here, seam here, seam here. So yeah, that's okay. That's filling in as long as there's no nails within 5 inches of those seams. But this chimney could also be a culprit of leaking on the skylight. So, but the skylight seal is broke. I can tell that. So it's got to go.